Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix this version of Radeon software is not compatible. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, you got to go to your Start menu, right-click on it. Now, click on Device Manager. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, go to Display Adapter, click on this drop-down, and find your specific AMD driver. Okay, click on it, and then right-click. Now, click on Update Driver. Now, in here, just click on Browse My Computer. Now, let me pick. Now, find AMD. Click on it and just hit on Next. Okay, your screen will flicker. Don't worry about it. Once that's done, close it and check if it helps. If that will work, go ahead and go to your favorite browser. Now, just type down AMD driver. Hit on Enter. Now, click on the first link, which is from AMD itself. Okay. And once that's done, just click on Download Windows Drivers. Now go ahead and save it wherever you want. Okay, click on Save. And once the download process is done, just click on it. Hit on Yes right here and wait for the installer to open. And once it's fully opened, you're going to want to click on Additional Options. Then in the drop down, make sure to select Driver Only and just click on Accept. Okay, after that, click on Accept and Install. And wait for the process to finish. And once that's done, just click on Close. Now go ahead and restart the computer. And after that, you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.